It's Don from Experiiece, and I just got to Wynn in Las Vegas. Checked in. I'm at room 2362. So let's take a look inside and explore. If you'll recall my recent video, I had secured 2 free nights here, 2 comp nights, using the Wynn Slots app. So this was, the 2 nights were completely free, not even a resort fee applicable, which is awesome. So let's start checking the room out. So immediately to the right after we came in is the bathroom. So nice size separate shower. There we've got a bathtub as well. So that's kind of handy. Is thing just went loopy, and we're back to reset. Sorry, I made you dizzy. We got dual sinks, weigh scale, towels and cloths, soap, makeup mirror, and the various amenities. Let's see what we've got. We got some body lotion, shower cap, cotton swabs, shoe polish, and then what they call necessities. So it looks like it's nail file and some cotton pads. I'll put that back later. So like I said, dual sinks. We had a hair dryer down here, nice little seat, and then the water closet's separate room. Even give you some fresh art for the bathroom. And if you notice, some kind of music just came on. Oh, they set it for my welcome, and so the television came on with the welcome in here. So that's what it was. Let's check out closet. Nice spacious closet. You get the 2 luggage racks, ironing board and iron. Lots of hangers, which is great. The wall safe. So room for I'm not quite sure it's laptop size. Pretty close. Nothing like having sounds like Sinatra playing. It is Las Vegas after all. And if you need to get ready, do one last full body check on the way out. With a great size mirror. So this is a Resort King room, and so this is pretty much just the standard room at Wynn. And so great size. I think it's 640 square feet. So we've got sofa and ottoman. Work desk over here, and so phone. Oh, and they've got an Amazon Echo, so you can ask Alexa to do things for you. And let's check out the view. I'm almost right down at the very end of the hall, so at the north end of the resort tower. So we look across, and there's a new Resorts World casino and hotel being built. Encore. You see over here, you can see down to Encore Beach Club, and then the main Encore pool, and then out to the Wynn Golf Course. So let's finish up with what's in the room. So there's a dining table with 2 chairs. Television. I think this the television swings out. It'll come back around so that you see where the bed is. Because you kind of want to be able to see TV from bed. And I believe, that just, didn't move the camera around, but the TV will swing out and tuck back in. And of course we've got the snacks and treats. Got to be careful here. It's on a 30-second sensor. So you can pick them up and look at them, but if they're up for more than 30 seconds, you're going to get charged. And the same down in the mini bar, fridge, I believe. Yeah, so it's fairly well stocked from Patron tequila to Tito's and Grey Goose and different sparkling wines and soft drinks and beers, uh, and even some waters. But again, everything's on a sensor. So you got, oops, as I slam the door, you have 30 seconds. So it's just a series of standard drawers here. You know, got ice bucket and glasses, and then the side tables as well have a series of drawers. So it's great, lots of storage space. And then we finish with, what do we have on the bedside? So there's our remote, and I think this is so a full bedside control system with a touch screen if you're too far away to talk to Alexa. And then everything, all the controls for drapes and shears and lighting is all by touchpad. And so that's looking up back to the front door. So that is our Wynn Resort King room. Again, 640 square foot standard room. I like it. I like it, especially when you can get it for free by playing the Wynn Slots app. So I'll leave a link down in the description so you can see my video on the Wynn Slots app. But otherwise, I'm going to go off and enjoy some time in Las Vegas. So if you like this, please hit the like button, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, I invite you to subscribe so you can catch all of these videos. This is just at the start of my Las Vegas trip, so there's going to be a lot of Las Vegas videos coming. So please follow along for the journey, and otherwise have a great day, and may all your life's journeys be everything you dreamed of.